MLA kat National People's Party na William Nagar buat Menteri Berikmi ikatanat PHE ke Sorkar Jylla, haka sautar unaitung araja arpusan ula penpau ke Jingngeit camp baka parti kan yo ya ke Jingngeit sha nau pajba haka election MDC Kyrwoh Hills Autonomous District Council ke ban Longhouse number 1. Ulaong baka NPP kale bha haki kam Pynroi bat kentiu ya ka yo ka kot harilum garo haka jingalam u konrad ki sangma komu menteri rangba ka Jylla. Kijing kendo Jingngeit ka GHADC hi kinom kta ya ka parti ha ka election banwan lapen pau u Marquis beri working president habakan tho ya ka jingbom yo tulap kinong trai menta la sau pulai benai. Ulaong basan ke NPP kan thau ya ka election committee ban jet ya ki kertang bat pentip bah constituency jong u ki pajba ki lapen pau ka Jingngeit camp ban pin ya kun do seng bat ar marak na ka parti.
Under the leadership of Conrad K. Sangma, much have been done in Kyrwoh Hills also, apart from the rest of the state. So therefore, people are for the NPP party. They have seen the kind of activities that is happening in Kyrwoh Hills. So people are there for the NPP party. But as I said, it will depend on the candidates that will be putting up in for the MDC elections as well. There would be, because there are so many issues coming up in the district councils also. But in the party meetings, I have already discussed that issue. If we need to strengthen the district council in Kyrwoh Hills, we have to work very hard, and we have to go to the people, convince them that this is the party where you can put your trust. We will try our level best to strengthen the GHADC. Definitely, we will be facing the challenges, but it is not only one issue, or not only this is not only the issue created by the present executive committee. It has been, the legacy of a legacy created by different executive committees, which has been inherited. So therefore, people understand the issues, and we'll be talking to the people in this regard. Very shortly, we will be having another round of regional committee meeting, where we will be, constituting the election committee. So once the election committees are constituted, we will, notice out for the candidates to apply for the party tickets, and the process will start next year. May not be early next year. Maybe the district council affairs will decide when it will be conducting the elections. It is to be seen later part of the process. Yes, since I'm the state working president in charge of Kyrwoh Hills, it's my duty bound to move around and talk to the party leaders. I've been, having several rounds of meeting. First, we had a regional committee meeting in Reswelpara, where we have taken several resolutions. I've directed the district committees of the party to have regular meetings, and to ask them to know their MDC candidates from their respective MDC constituencies, and also to identify the oppositions, who will be the right opposition, who will be the next opposition with us. So therefore, these are the few exercises that I have started doing. I've been having different rounds of meeting, and last week I had a meeting of my own constituency also, William Nagar GHADC constituency block committee meeting also, wherein we have unanimously, supported the nomination made by the block party president Rosan M. Sama. He has proposed Mr. Sengbat Armarak's name. So everyone has accepted that, and we have nominated him. We'll be nominating his name to the party high command for giving him a party ticket to contest from William Nagar constituency. So this initiative was to push other constituencies, to take positive steps to decide for the party candidates. We have constituted a regional committee headed by me. This regional committee comprises of district party presidents, secretaries, and also the frontal wing president secretaries, like women wings and youth wings, and now we are including, we have a farmers front also. So we are including the district farmers front president and secretaries in the regional committee meeting. So in Resibalpara, we had a regional committee meeting to, kick off kind of a meeting atmosphere in the North Kyrwoh district. So after the regional committee meeting, they have organized a general district committee meeting, wherein 4 constituencies party leaders have come to attend in Mandipata. We had a very good meeting there in North Kyrwoh.
Habatin, pej bahaki kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.